On the way to Callan Station, the troublesome trucks teased Percy even more. Clickety-clack, don't look back. Dirty Percy is on our track. Be quiet, Percy snapped. When Percy arrived at Callan Station, he was very upset. From now on, I am only doing work where I won't get dirty. Harold the helicopter was at Callan Station picking up medical supplies. Hello, Percy, he called. And he took off, blowing cinders and ashes everywhere. Not again, cried Percy. I want a washdown. Usefulness before cleanliness, reminded his driver. I want to be useful, where I can't get dirty, Percy huffed. There's a load of sugar going to the chocolate factory, his driver said. We can take the sugar trucks. Sugar, said Percy. That's nice and clean. Percy was pleased. He didn't know that earlier a leaky truck had spilled oil on the track. When he approached the chocolate factory, his driver applied the brakes, but Percy's wheels just skidded on the oily rails. Oh no! Hooted Percy. Yuck! He groaned. I've never been this dirty. He was covered from funnel to firebox in sticky, gooey chocolate. Back in the shed, everyone thought it was very funny. You look good enough to eat, Thomas hooted. Pudding, Percy, teased James. Chocolate ice on wheels, tipped in Henry. Disgraceful, said Gordon pompously. Ahem, said the stern-sounding voice. It was the Fat Controller. You've had a trying day, Percy, he said. Yes, sir, replied policeman beneath the chocolate. But you showed us all that usefulness does come before cleanness. So, he added, you should have your washdown. Oh, sir! And a new coat of paint. Percy just beamed.